In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the reply to email in Mailchimp, a process that's crucial for ensuring that all your email communications are seamless and professional. Making sure your audience receives emails from the correct address not only improves the authenticity of your email campaigns, but also helps with better engagement and response rates. Now let's dive into the steps necessary to make this change smoothly. To begin with, head over to your Mailchimp account. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Audience tab. This section houses all the information related to your subscribers and lists. Clicking here will take you to the Audience Overview page. Now that you're in the Audience section, look for a drop-down menu. Here you'll want to choose All Contacts. By selecting this option, you're essentially diving deeper into the core settings of your audience where you can make substantial edits and updates. After choosing All Contacts, move your cursor to the Settings tab and give it a click. Settings are where we're going to fine-tune and tailor how you interact with your audience. On the Settings page, one of the things you're going to see is the Audience Name and Defaults option. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a series of settings where you can set standard details for your audience, like the name associated with your emails and other personalization options. Let's focus now on the crucial section labeled Default Email Information. This area is where you have the ability to change the from email address. It's important to ensure that this email address is correctly set because this is what your audience will see when they receive your communications. If you want responses to your emails to come back to a particular inbox, be sure to input that address here. To edit this, simply click inside the field, erase the current entry if necessary, and type in the new email address you want recipients to view and respond to. Once you've made this change, double-check to confirm the details are accurate. A mistake here could mean replies going to the wrong inbox or even bouncing back. To finalize everything, make sure you scroll down and click Save to apply the changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated the reply to email in your Mailchimp account. It's always a good idea to send a test email to ensure everything looks good and works as expected. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful in keeping your email communications running smoothly and professionally. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time.